For exclusive classic boats in the auction, there's a wide selection of wooden river crafted boats, model boats and pond yachts. There's paintings and memorabilia as well in the auction. And just to say, in about 5 minutes' time, auction lot 153 lady.
That's fantastic. Where are you going?
There as well.
She's a cedar rib canoe.
We're going to need lots of people in this day.
Craft here.
We're in the back.
Coming up,
My lovely grass.
Hope of Glory, owned by Mick and Jan Rollison.
Who wants to get wet then?
It's one thing, if you want a quick bath, that's the way to get it.
Oh no.
Get some pictures for me. Thank you. I was keen to have some with the dog. Well, we were, weren't we? We were keen to have some with the loo, weren't we?
Yeah.
You've got a separate steam valve yourself?
I'm showing great faith. I'm really holding this rope tight.
You're on at this point.
I better hold on with you.
I'll hold on as well. It's going in reverse. Going forward? Yes, now you
I think the answer's no.
no, I think we can safely say you're not going to make it to the point. No, there's not enough throughput.